Okay, good afternoon, Marianelle. Kumbaga, you are one of the participants of my study. The title, When a Home Become a House, Understanding the Lived Experience of a Latchkey Child. So, prior this one, I discussed to you that this is purely for my thesis, for my study. So, it is confidential. So, your answer will be between you and me. So, I am here to have an interview with you. So shall we start? So, question number 1. How do you personally view your experience growing up as a latchkey child? Can you describe the daily situation or routines that shape this view?
So, growing up as a latchkey child with my mother as an OFW and my father working as a school guard shaped me to become independent and responsible. Kahit hindi naman sila laging present, I know they are waiting for us. My daily routine before was simple but challenging. After the school, uuwi ako sa bahay nang minsan walang tao. Then I do my homework by myself. I also manage my time. Minsan I talk my mother online. Because of this experience, natuto akong maging responsible at strong. Kahit minsan nakakalungkot, I learned to how to stand on my own and appreciate my parents' sacrifice. This situation helped me grow and become a better person.
Thank you, Marianelle. Next. When you think about being left at home without adult supervision, what experience stand out the most to you? Why do this experience remain memorable?
When I think about being left at home without adult supervision, the most memorable moments are the quiet times after the school. Tahimik ang bahay, and kami lang ng ating kapatid ko ang magkasama. Sometimes, nakakamiss si mama. Kasi since mama work at ibang bansa, tapos si papa uwi ng gabi. This experience are memorable because they help me grow. Natuto akong maging independent at mas naging close kami magkapatid.
Next. How did your responsibilities or routines at home influence the way you viewed being a latchkey child? Can you describe responsibilities that had a strong impact on you?
My responsibilities at home changed how I see being a latchkey child dahil sa mga ginagawa ko araw-araw. I learned to be independent and responsible. I understand that my parents are busy, especially my brother as an OFW. Some responsibilities that might really affect me are preparing for doing my homework alone and helping take care of my siblings. Natuto akong mag-manage ng time at gumawa ng mga gawain kahit walang bantay. Because of this, I become stronger and more responsible. Hindi na lang siya tungkol sa pagiging mag-isa, kundi about growing and learning in life.
Next. In what ways did your experience as a latchkey child influence how you behave or responded to situation while growing up? Can you describe a situation where this became clear to you?
So my experience as a
Latchkey.
child affect how I behave while growing up. Dahil sanay ako mag-isa, I become more independent and responsible. I learned to seek calm and think before acting. I also understand my parents' situation, especially my mother kaya hindi pwede siya sa amo. That moment showed me that I can handle problems on my own and help me become stronger and more mature.
Next. How do you interpret the overall impact of your experience as a latchkey child in your life? What parts of those experiences shape who you are today?
So overall, I see my experience as
Latchkey child
latchkey child as as something that made me strong and more independent. Dahil lumaki ako na minsan mag-isa sa bahay. Natuto ako mag-handle ng responsibility without waiting for others. Because of all this, I become who I am today, independent, mas mature, matusok, at marunong mag-adjust sa situation na nakikita.
Next, how would you describe your feelings about being latchkey child? What emotion did you commonly experience during those times?
I feel mixed emotions as a latchkey child. Minsan, lonely ako kasi sa bahay. Wala ang parents ko, especially my mama as an OFW, and my father at work. Pero at the same time, I also feel strong and independent. Natuto akong gawin ang responsibility ko at tumulong sa kapatid ko. So overall, I feel lonely but also strong and responsible, and this feeling helped me grow.
Thank you, Marianelle. Next, what did you usually feel when you realized you would be alone at home without adult supervision? What thoughts often came to your mind during those moments?
When I realized I would be alone at home, I usually feel a little lonely, quiet, especially since my mama nagtrabaho siya sa ibang bansa. Minsan naisip ko, kaya ko to, and I remind myself to be responsible. And I also think about finishing my task and taking care of sibling habang hinihintay si Papa makakami.
Next, how did the responsibilities you had at home affect how you felt about being a latchkey child? Can you describe situation where these responsibilities affected your emotions?
So my responsibility at home made me feel more independent, but sometimes I'm tired, especially my father worked full guard and my mother worked as well. There were times na napapagod ako kapag ako ang nag-handle dahil pagkain gumawa ng homework while taking my schedule. Pero at the end, I feel proud and strong because I can handle my responsibility.
Very good, Marianelle. Next, how did being alone at home influence your sense of safety or comfort? Were there moments when you felt worried or uneasy?
Being alone at home made me feel sometimes safe, but sometimes uneasy. May moments na okay lang ako and comfortable, pero minsan nakabahan lalo na kapag may naririnig ako ingay or lamig. Even when I try to stay calm and remind myself na kaya ko mabuhay kahit
Next, looking back now, how do you feel your experience as a latchkey child have affected you emotionally? Which memories or feelings from that time remain most vivid to you today?
So looking back, my experience as a latchkey child affect me emotionally by making me strong but sometimes lonely. Yung pinaka-vivid na memory is the quiet moments at home with my sibling doing our responsibility on our own. These feelings stay with me because they help me become independent and I appreciate my parents.
Next, what realization or insight have you gained from your experience as a latchkey child? Can you describe experiences that lead to this realization?
Being a latchkey child made me realize that I need to be independent and responsible. Natuto akong gumawa ng tasks on my own by preparing food and helping my siblings. Natuto akong gumawa ng mga gawaing bahay like paglaba, pagluto ng pagkain, and helping my siblings hanggang ngayon it fits me because I am more disciplined and independent.
Thank you. Next, what important things did you come to understand from being left on your own at home? How did this experience influence the way you think or act today?
So I learned important things like time management and responsibility. Especially my parents na nagtatrabaho ng maayos. Dahil sa pagiging mag-isa sa bahay, natuto ako mag-isip at kumilos ng maayos. Hanggang ngayon, it affects me because I am more
Next, what have your experiences taught you about responsibility or independence? Can you describe situation that helped you develop this understanding?
So my experience as a refugee child taught me to be responsible and independent. At a young age, especially since my mother also and my father is school guard, natuto ako magluto, gumawa ng homework, alagaan ang kapatid ko kahit wala adult sa bahay.
Thank you. Next, what realization did you gain about yourself while growing up as a latchkey child? How did this realization influence how you see yourself today?
I realized that I am strong and dependent and responsible, especially kung kasi natutunan ko na mag-handle ng mga problems kay tulad sa mama at papa ko lahat. Because of this, I see myself to be as more mature and confident person than me.
Next, the last one. When you reflect on your experience as a latchkey child, what do you now understand about those experiences? Which experiences most strongly shape your perspective?
When I reflect on my experience as a latchkey child, I now understand that helped me become independent and strong, especially since my parents worked hard para lang din makatagan nila na nindot na kinabuhi para sa mga sa komisyon. And because of this experience, I learned to be responsible and very appreciate my parents.
Okay, thank you, Marianne. We are done. Dudong! Umana!